Good morning and welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today we're doing a really fun makeup tutorial. I've never done a look quite like this before, so it was really exciting and something totally out of my comfort zone, and I'm really excited to share it with you because I absolutely love how it turned out. So for this look today, we're going to be using the Colourpop Animal Crossing eyeshadow palettes. I'm using a mixture of a couple of different ones. The first one we're going to be using is Nook ink. So going in with the shade Yes Yes, I'm just going to tap this all over the first half of my lid. And I'm going to keep this makeup tutorial pretty much in real time, just so you can see exactly how long it takes me to blend, exactly how many times I dip into the product, and so on. Girl, tell me something else. Now we're going in with 5-Star Island and we're grabbing this gorgeous pink shade. I'm going to begin tapping this on the outer half of the eyelid. I love these two shades together. I think they just complement each other really nicely. Please let me know in the comments if you do prefer this more real-time eyeshadow tutorial.
You may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You my salty crush. I'm doing something different. Your name's been on my tongue. My cup's been looking full.
We're then going in with the Labelle of the Ball eyeshadow palette and taking this gorgeous purple with some light shimmers in it. And I'm going to buff this into my crease. So I'm blending this into my crease area and a little bit up near the brow bone as well.
I keep it on my body cause I don't feel well. Girl, tell me something else. Salty and gingerbread, that shit will never fail. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. Hold up, shimmer. Comfort queen, my squeezing knight who opens up this package is too tight. Oh, whoa.
Okay, now we begin the very scary part of this whole look. We're going in with the graphic liner part of the look. So grabbing my liquid liner, I'm just going to begin by lining my top lash line. And then starting to form the wing part. You will notice I did my eye makeup first. This is in case I did any stuff ups, I could easily just remove it and start again. So you can see exactly how long it takes me to do this part and all the small little steps that I do, just gently filling in that eyeliner. Won't get sick of us. Now for this look, to create it more of a butterfly look, I am extending the wings up and getting it ready for the butterfly shape. For the next part, I was a little bit worried of screwing up, so I decided to use some concealer to lightly map out where I want the eyeliner to go on top of. Once I'm roughly happy with that shape, I'm just going to go over the top of that with the liquid liner. This part was so stressful. Just do not give up, keep trying, keep practicing, and you'll get there eventually.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay?
And then as you can see, I got really into it, so I went completely out of frame to really focus getting the shape correct. So this is how we're looking at the moment. As you can see, it's not perfect, but we're going to build on this shape. So we keep thickening up the line and perfecting it to where we're going to be happy with it. So the first line is sort of just slightly above my crease, and then the second line is really high in my crease, almost at my brow, and I'm connecting that to the wing.
Won't you give some of it to me? Oh yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easy.
Then I'm going to create the little sections of the butterfly wing by popping in these little shapes here. Yeah, and you can see exactly how slow I'm taking this. I'm really taking my time and not rushing at all. Obviously the hardest part is matching on the other side, so just keep looking on each eye and trying to replicate it on both sides. There's always going to be one side you like better than the other.
Won't you let me in? So we can get back on the same page. Well, tonight I wanna stay in a way. Don't you just talk to me? 'Cause when you spend your time with me, you're speaking my...
I'm then going to fill in my brows, and this already starts to pull the look together. I'm just grabbing some of the highlight that I'm going to use on my face and tapping this on my inner corner and really pushing this up into right where the liner is. This makes such a big difference. Now using some eyelash glue and some tweezers, I'm going to grab some little diamantes and stick them into each section of the butterfly wing. I really loved how these little diamantes helped the look. I just think it looks so cute.
The sun is coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem, 'cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend, gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you, 'cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
Now we're going in with the face makeup because I am very happy with how the eye is looking so far. So I'm using the Colourpop foundation and I'm just going to tap that all into my face.
Whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
Now it is time to do a little bit of concealing and tap that all in as well. Going to gently set the face with some powder.
Had a couple fucks but I lost them. I'm sleepwalking in the dark again. Whatever you got, baby, I want one. And now I'm fighting for the sheets again. Sleeping in your bed like I ain't got one. I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh.
And now we're going to move into the bottom lash line. Going back in with Labelle of the Ball. We're grabbing this gorgeous deep purple and I'm buffing this all into my bottom lash line. I am smoking it out quite a bit and dragging it down slightly.
Up all night again, me and you, left and right and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
For my waterline, I'm using this Colourpop cream gel liner. I think it's in the shade Zulu. Can't quite remember. I will link it down below. And now we're going to bronze up the face and get nice and chiseled.
All I wanna do is feel awesome, awesome. It ain't the change of the season, no. It ain't the distance from the sun. And I keep looking for reasons.
And using this really cute blush, I'm going to tap that on. It's a really gorgeous pink shade, which I think ties in nicely with the eyeshadow.
Baby, that can make me feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, yeah, you make me feel awesome.
Now to keep this look really whimsical, I wanted to use a purple highlight. Look how gorgeous this is. I'm using it on my cheekbones, on my brow bone, and also up near my forehead. I'm putting it kind of everywhere just to really, bring out the whimsical vibe.
Down, but tell me if you are.
For my lips, I'm keeping it very nude, so I'm going in with the BFF lip liner and a lip oil from Colourpop. I really love the glossy lips at the moment.
I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately, 'cause you feel so.
And of course, some mascara. I will not be using false lashes. I didn't want to take away from the eye look, so I just went with my natural lashes and some mascara. I'm letting the eyeshadow do the talking.
For a minute, we can make this what we've been living.
And this is the finished look. I'm so happy with how this came out. It was so much fun. I just kept staring at it. I'm really proud of myself. Obviously, it's not perfect, but it was just, I'm very happy with how it turned out. It was much better than I thought. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you try it for yourself. It's actually pretty easy. I know you can do it. Just take your time with it and have fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I'll see you next week for a new video. Bye!
Hey, I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately, 'cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting, but I feel so.